Last time on Refrigerator Magnet Theater.
It's a crazy idea, but it just might work. Geronimo! Hang on, Daisy. Everything's gonna be fine. You'll see. It'll...
I can't believe that Rainbow Man is dead! It's all my fault! Rainbow Man! You're back! You're not dead!
Oh, Daisy Head, I'm so happy to be here. I've been through hell. Hey, wait a minute. Who's that holding up my recipe?
Oh, that's the new guy, Cookie Face. When you left, he took your place.
Well, we'll see about that. Hey, hey, man, I used to have this job.
I heard about you, old man. You were careless. You tried to be a hero. That's not for me.
Hey, pal, I fought so kids like you could have a decent life.
Oh, thank you, Captain America.
I've got to do something! Come on, you guys, knock it off! Let's just be thankful that Rainbow Man is back!
People say love this refrigerator or leave it. Well, I love this refrigerator. But when you've seen the inside of a vacuum cleaner, well, it scares the hell out of you. I'm sorry, Cookie Face. I had a flashback.
No, Rainbow Man. I'm sorry. I never knew what pain you went through. I'd like you to have your job back.
Thank you.
Hey, remember, it's a big, crazy refrigerator that we're all stuck to, and if we can't learn to live together, we're just a bunch of ordinary magnets.